The before and after. This is the house we did just the other day. Look at how it looked before. Materials for cladding. Basically, it's the exterior house, Wallmaster and cladding application. This is how it came out eventually. Basically, we used RockMaster. RockMaster is cheaper. The patterns we use, or the patterns that are available to use. So how it started. This was day one, the house. So the installation of the cladding, scaffoldings are set up, materials are on ground. These were the materials for the wall, for the exterior wall, Wallmaster, RockMaster. This is basically like Ruff and Tuff, but it is bagged, solid, so you have to mix it. This was about quite a number. There were so many, I think more than 50, more than 40, I'm not wrong. So we first started off by mixing. We mix the paint, the mixer. Once you do that, we mix it to have a clean, fine, have a solid feel. Touch, when you feel it, it's not heavy and also not light. See the texture? Here's the texture. That's the wall. The ceiling, this is the rooftop. That was our starting point. So that's how the surface was before when we came in. We have already done this other side. So moving on. Some work more mixing. With Wallmaster, you need to mix the Wallmaster into the water, not vice versa. That's how, so that the polymer holds on to the cement wall or to the plaster. So here's now creating the patterns. See how it turns out. Pattern creation, where you just put a little bit of water and then pattern it out, and to get this kind of texture. So right now it's kind of wet, but you see the patterns being applied, a little bit of water so that you can draw up the line with the steel. The different types of steel, there's a pattern steel and a normal steel. The cladding guys are almost halfway. Brick and mortar plus the gum. So then they are a bit, the section wasn't that big. So you can see the materials are there. The wall, the exterior perimeter wall wasn't done, need to be applied by RockMaster. Here's the exterior part from the outside, where now you have the scaffolds. Now is it still without the silicone paint on top of it? I haven't finished, so the pattern is still going on. Here's the back section of the house where it's completely done. Wallmaster has been applied. And even now on the front part, since it's done, now we're into paint work. Now we need to paint the whole house with silicone ultra guard. The perimeter wall is also done. The inside of the perimeter wall. As you can see, this morning we're setting up the scaffold for paint work now. The back area is ready for paint work. We are first area where we started. The scaffold is already up, as you can see on the right side of the video. And also setting up the scaffold for the front part of the house. The finish for the wall, the RockMaster was really nice. You can see how the exterior looks from outside. On the roadside, it looks very beautiful. Lastly, cuddling has blended. Now the paintwork here is done. The silicone ultra guard. The color choice was chocolate milk. Here you see the ultra guard paint. This is what we used for the whole house. So we're doing the trims. Now the trims are done. On the back side are done. The white part is the trim for the windows. And also on the roof, you can see, even on the top of the roof, where you see white silicone, we applied silicone paint all over it for protection, because this paint gives you lifespan of almost 10 to 15 years. And after applying the RockMaster, which has a similar lifespan, your house will look beautiful this way for so long. But you need to put quality materials in your building structure. Here's the outcome of everything: the silicone plus the RockMaster. As I say, this is a cheaper way of doing it, because the buckets for the Ruff and Tuff are quite expensive. So when you use RockMaster, the finish is the same. There's no difference between this finish and Ruff and Tuff. They're the same products. The gauge for this was 2 mm, and standard for houses is 2 mm. Interior you can do 0.5 or 1 mm. That is the gauge of the stones that you use to apply on the wall. There you can go, you can see the finish. That's the paint. No running of the paint. The white on the milk chocolate. The window trims are perfectly done. It only remain the skirting. The window sills are done. So only the skirting is white. We need to put a different color to break the color. Again, ultra guard. Here's cleaning. After you finish, site needs to be cleaned, properly brushed, as you can see. See how white the exterior walls are. Look how beautiful it turned out. Wow, this is from a neighbor's point of view. Here's the window trim being done, the last parts of the window trim being done. And eventually this is the face of the house now, with the column being gray, perimeter wall. The columns are white and also gray. You can see the house is fully done, finished, but it's only the window trims you can see. This is the exterior, the sides of the wall. Beautiful, beautiful. This house turned out to be very beautiful. The neighbors were really shocked how it turned out to be very beautiful. Wow. They just fell in love with this design and pattern. So right now we're just doing the final touches. A bit here and there. The cladding is okay, now it's a bit clean. The walls are okay. The columns are okay. Pillars, sorry. The interior wall, perimeter wall, sorry, again is okay. Now this is actually stunning. It's really stunning. I'm telling you, it's really stunning. The back side is done from top to window trims. The skirting is brown now, you can see. The trims are white. The windows have been cleaned and the grills have been painted black. You can see this side of the trims and the windows. The skirting brown. It's really nice. Good approach. This project took us almost 8 days. 8 days. Let's say 9 days to finish all this. Front part. Very nice. Very nice. Just touch-ups here and there, but just to check where we see something small, we attend to it. As we keep on constantly checking, because with Wallmaster application, the paint that sometimes is not fully painted inside, so you have to go and check, double check. And that's what we were doing. The touch-ups were many, but we had to do all the touch-ups, even if it's small, how we had to do all of them. All good. Again, a bit of touch-ups where we felt that we needed to touch again. We did. That's how it looks. Stunning house. The results. This is how it looks. Very beautiful house. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Nice work. Cladding looks superb. Front part of the house is really stunning. And that's it, the final look. Now, this moment now we have to go into washing. To wash floor surface to remove all the cement that was there, sand, paint, a lot of things that fall on the floor while you're doing all this work. So it's a cleanup time, finishing up as we wrap this project to go for another one. And we usually use a lot of clean water and soapy water just to remove any debris or any dirt or any paint or any cement, anything that is on the floor. That's that. After washing, hand over the house to client.